Welcome. In this video, we will look at the OR formula. We will also combine the OR formula with an if statement. First, let's write our OR formula. So the OR formula looks at different logic. So the first thing, let's write our formula. So OR, so we have logic 1 and logic 2. So first, let's write our first logic. So let's say we will look for if cell C3 equals red. Then logic 2, C3 equals orange. Now that is true because it's saying if it equals red or orange, either one. So it does equal red, so the formula returns a true result. Now, if we change red to yellow, that is false because cell C3 does not equal yellow or orange. Now, let's combine our OR formula with an if statement. So we will say if this statement, if either one of these statements are true, what do we do in that case? So right here it says value if true, so we will say yes. And if it is not true, we will say no. So it is not true because cell C3 does not equal yellow or orange. Now if we update this to, so now it is looking for if cell C3 equals red or equals orange. And it does, so the if statement returns a yes value. And that is your OR formula combined with your if statement. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.